welcome back. Today we are making a really pretty awesome abstract art painting. All you need is some paints. You need some brushes for the final tip. You will need a glass and a canvas, and I already painted it black and waited for it to dry. So first, you already see here how I put the paints inside in here and I did not mix it up. Now I just have to pour all of this straight into the center. Done. So now I'm going to tilt it. A little bit right here. Whoa, this is looking so pretty, guys, right? I'm going to get some right there. I really like the pattern here. Okay, now I'm going to put the final touch with this brush. I'm just going to kind of drag the paint, not actually paint, I just want to drag the paint. And remember, this part is actually a little tricky because try not to get the colors blended up and mixed. Good. Now you can always tilt it more and more to get the shape you want, but this is all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Bye.